Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Valorant and going straight to collection. No fluff. You need a weapon skin that includes a kill effect or finisher. Once you find it, select the weapon slot. Make sure you own or have unlocked that skin. If not, you'll need to purchase or craft it with BP/VP. While still in collection, preview the skin's kill effect so you know what to expect in match, because visuals differ between skins and attachments. Once you've previewed the skin, equip it to the weapon you'll use in matches. Select primary or secondary and confirm equip. Next, go to Settings and find the HUD or Gameplay section to ensure Kill Banner and Kill Effects display options are enabled. Toggle them on if they are off. Save your settings, then return to Collection to double-check the equipped skin is still active. This guarantees the in-game kill effect will trigger when you finish. By testing in a practice range or casual game, land a final hit and observe the kill effect. If it doesn't appear, relog and re-equip the skin, then try again. Temporary sync issues often clear with a restart. If problems persist, confirm the skin is actually owned and that no third-party overlays or ban mods are blocking animations. One troubleshooting tip: verify client updates and server status, because mismatched versions can suppress cosmetic effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.